What's up, guys? Devin with Adventure Hobby Passion, back today doing another video. It's going to be a pretty cool video. We're going to work on a bunch of mini bikes again. I am going to be getting an engine running, hopefully, and then I'm going to be cutting another frame apart to be ready for a really big engine. A new engine plate is going on it. Thanks, Josh, for designing it up and getting it all on. You're a great part of the team. And Josh is also going to try to fix his in this video as well. He broke the fender off. So yeah, let's just jump right into the time lapse and bring them in the garage. Alright guys, a little bit of an update. As you can see, we got the bike running. We just need to get a fuel tank. This is the original fuel tank on it. But the petcock is broken off. Luckily, there's threads are still in there. Hopefully I can find the threads for it. So I'm going to go to the store, get the threads. Maybe I'll try to rip one off of another tank and put it in that. But yeah, I'm going to jump back to the other bikes and start working on them. So yeah, this one's all running. And I undid the throttle screw, and it runs all right, but it's still 97 cc's. There's like nothing to it. And it's a freaking clutch. It's not a torque converter. So CVTs are way better for small power. But yeah, let's jump back to it. Alright, a little bit of an update. I cut the chain tensioner off and the kickstand. I'm probably just going to relocate the kickstand from, instead of being the center, so that losing all of our ground clearance and hitting it. If we find my old one, it's in there. It's all dented up and broken because I hit it, so I just cut it off. I'm probably going to end up relocating it like right there or something. Then it's nice and out of the way. It's not really going to hit anything because that's where the tire is, the highest clearance. But then you still have a kickstand to hit it up. But that's like one of my last concerns. I destroyed this blade. I mean, the teeth are pretty much gone, and it's all bent. So we're going to go ahead and try this Linux out. I was given this by a contractor, so I was like, all right, I'll try it out, see how it goes. It says it's for thick metal, even though it's like really thick teeth. So, yeah, we're going to go ahead and try that out. We're going to cut the engine plate off because I got the other two things off and the pegs, and we're going to relocate everything. So, yeah, I'll catch you back up in a minute. Alright, a little update. We got the new clutch on this bike. Took it for a test drive. She works, so the beater bike's back. Keith can now have his bike up and running. And we got the trailer rig organized. Got the Keith's toolbox here. Toolbox now up in the front. And boom, 3 bikes. We still can put another one right there really easy. And then if we want to get in the way, we can put one right here. But I don't like that. So I'm going to put another one right there. While we're storing, I'll probably move that box somewhere else. But yeah, so let's go back to the other bike and work on it. Alright, so we've been having another really pretty interesting video. I mean, we've been working on a bunch of different mini bikes. I'm just trying to get more content into one video. And so, yeah. And so now on this bike, we got it all running. Got the gas tank all figured out. It does leak, but that's just the cutoff. I can't get the cutoff to seal. But that's fine. I'm not using this engine anyways. I just figured it's easier to get it running on the bike. So now what we're going to do is real quick take this engine off and then maybe put a mock-up motor on it. But I don't know. Maybe that's the end of this video. But yeah, let's just jump right to the time lapse. Alright guys, so I'm not going to get to the engine mock-up in this video, but I did get the engine off. My time-lapse camera got completely full. But yes, I have a ton of film for this video. Truck's back in the back again. Yeah. So, hopefully you enjoyed today's video. Like, comment, share, subscribe. But biggest thing with my channel, go out and go find your passions.